Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hope you people are good. In the previous video we have studied about how to insert a rational number between two rational numbers by mean method, but it was a lengthy method, it was a time consuming method, it is taking much time. If two rational numbers, three rational numbers, it will be convenient, but more than two or three rational numbers, suppose 10, 15, 100 rational numbers we have to insert between two rational numbers, then it is taking a much time. So what to do? There is one more method, alternate method is there to insert more than 10, 15, any number of rational numbers we can insert between two rational numbers. Okay, that is very easy method and it will take very less time. Okay, so let's start with the class. Find ten rational numbers between 2 and 3. Okay, so we know very well, if we are talking about natural numbers, it is highly impossible to find a natural number between 2 and 3. Why? Because 2 and 3 are the successive natural numbers. Between them there is no natural number. But if we are talking about insertion of rational number between these 2 and 3, yes, there is a possibility of inserting a rational number between 2 and 3. That too, we can insert infinite rational numbers between these 2 and 3. So how to? Yesterday we have studied about mean method, which is taking much time. The process is bit complex. So to avoid those things, we are going to study an alternate method, how to find rational numbers between two rational numbers. So first of all, whatever the numbers are given, you need to write those numbers. Then afterwards, how many rational numbers he is asking to find out? Let's start with solution. Now between 2 and 3 you need to find. Okay, how many? 10 rational numbers you need to find. So for this alternate method, you need to write, you have to make the denominator of these two numbers as 10. Okay, so what is the denominator is given? We know very well, rational numbers are nothing but which are in the form of p by q. So when we are taking this, comparing this with, so p value is 2 and p value is 3, but there is no q value. Okay, so we can take a is equals to any variable we can choose. So q is equals to whatever the number of rational numbers is asking, we need to add plus 1 to that number. Suppose 10 rational numbers. So 10 plus 1. Q is equals to 11. Now what to do? For the given numbers, we need to multiply in the numerator and denominator by this 11. Okay. Multiply by 11 in numerator and denominator. Multiply by 11 in numerator and denominator. To whom we are multiplying? To this 2 and 3. Okay. So 2 and 3. So in the numerator and denominator we are multiplying it by 3. 3 into 11 by 1 into 11. Now 2 into 11 is how much? Yes, exactly, that is 22. 22 by 11 and 33 by 11. Okay, 22 by 11 and 33 by 11. Now we got up to here. Now between these numbers we will check out how many possible rational numbers we can write. We need to write 10 rational numbers between this 2 and 3. So the procedure we followed. Now we will see after 22 what will come. Yes, exactly, 23 by 11, 24 by 11, 25 by 11, 26, 11, 27 by 11, 28 by 11, 29, 30, 31 by 11, 32 by 11. Let's count whether they are 10 rational numbers or not. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yes, exactly, we got 10 rational numbers between the two given rational numbers. I will explain you one more the procedure how to find, and there are other different types of questions are also there. To them how we are going to, that also inshallah I am going to explain you. So first the thing is, yesterday also we studied find 10 rational numbers between 2 and 3. Okay, this 2 and 3 they are the rational numbers. Assume it they are rational numbers only. Why? Because they have all the time the denominator as 1. Okay, so p value is 2 here and q value is 3 for this number. Now what to do? How many rational numbers they are asking? To them we should add plus 1. All the time you need to follow this procedure. Whatever the number of rational number he is asking to find or insert between the given numbers, immediately the first step you have to do is to that number you need to add plus 1. Okay. Then the second step is you need to multiply in the numerator and denominator by whatever the value you are getting to the given numbers. This is the second step. Okay, only 2 steps you need to remember. It is very much important. Definitely you will get the question based on this, and it is a very important how to, don't forget the concept. Just you need to keep in your mind the steps what we have to follow. Once you know how to do, if you have remember the step, then it will be a very convenient and easy to find out the numbers compared to the mean method. Mean method is a very lengthy process. It is a time consuming and a bit complex as well. Okay, so what I said, yes, whatever the numbers are given, that numbers we need to write. Between them we need to find 10. If it is given here 15, then we have to do here 15 plus 1. Then here you will get 16. Then you need to multiply in the numerator and denominator by 16. Same procedure you have to follow. So here the things what we have done, yes, whatever the rational numbers he is asking in the question 10, to that we have added 1 and we got the result as 11. That number whatever you got, you need to multiply in the numerator and denominator to the given numbers. What are the given numbers? Yes, 2 and 3 are the given numbers. So here in the numerator and in the denominator we are multiplying. Okay, so 2 times of 11, 22 by 11. Then 3 times of 11 by 1 into 11. So 3 times of 11 is nothing but 33 by 11. Now between this number, it means we need to exclude this number. We should not include those numbers, we have to exclude. So between those numbers what comes, that I have written here. After 23, yes, exactly, 23 by upon 11, 24 upon 11, 25 upon 11, 26 upon 11, so on up to 32. I have not written here 33 because the question is we need to find between them. Okay, because of that reason I have excluded this number. So and we got this up to the 32 upon 11 I have written. Now I found after that we have to count the numbers. Actually it is asking 10, so we are going to verify whether they are 10 or not. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yes, exactly, we got the 10 rational numbers between 2 and 3. Suppose he is asking to find out 15 rational numbers between this 2 and 3 or any other number we will take. Okay. Okay, suppose I will take 6. Find 6 rational numbers between minus 2 and 3. I will take here 2 numbers. Okay, so what is the first procedure? Yes, what are the given numbers? Minus 2, 3. Okay, then after that we need to find out the q value, which is nothing but denominator, 6 plus 1. Okay, so 6 plus 1 is nothing but 7. Now after that you need to multiply in the numerator and denominator by 7. NR stands for numerator and DR stands for denominator. Multiply in numerator and denominator by 7 or with 7. Then the numbers we have to take minus 2 and 3. 7, 1 into 7, 3 into 7, 1 into 7. So how many numbers? Minus 2 times of 7 is nothing but minus 14 by 7, and 3 times of 7, 21 by 7. Now between those numbers I will write. Okay, so minus 14, what comes? Minus 13, minus 12, minus 11, like that it will get. But only 6 numbers we have to write. So from this series of numbers you can select any 6 numbers. Okay, in a continuation, successive or alternate, you can choose any numbers. So let's first try, let me write what are the numbers coming between minus 14 by 7 and 21 by 7. Minus 13 by 7, minus 12 upon 7, minus 11 upon 7, minus 10 upon 7, minus 9 upon 7, so on. Minus 8, minus 7, minus 6, minus 5, minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0. Okay, 0 by 7, then 1 upon 7, 2 upon 7, 3 upon 7, so on up to 21 upon 7 now. So we need to write up to 20 upon 7. Now you are finding that there are many rational numbers between the two given rational numbers. Among this you can choose any 6 rational numbers and you have to write. Therefore the 6 rational numbers between minus 2 and 3 are. Okay, that's it. This is the procedure of solving the problem or inserting the rational numbers between two given rational numbers. Hopefully it is very much clear to you people. Inshallah in the next video we will meet another type of question. Same question, finding the rational numbers between two rational numbers. Okay, here we have solved the problems without denominators. Okay, means with the denominator is not given over there, the denominator was 1 only. Okay, so in the next video inshallah we'll meet with other type of question. So just do the practice by taking your own rational numbers, how to insert a rational numbers between the two given rational numbers. Jazakallahu khair. Thank you.